Welcome to Cooking with Denise. Today we're going to have a healthy salad for lunch. Lots of greens and veggies with chicken.
My lettuce, cucumber, green onions, celery, cauliflower.
We will be using Tyson's frozen rotisserie chicken breast. It's quick and easy. You just microwave it or bake it. Microwave it for about 3 minutes and bake it for about 10. Next, I take my salad greens that I have washed in vinegar and water and cut them with my scissors into bite-sized pieces. Slice and chop your cucumbers.
I found that eating the salad every day of the week, my blood pressure's gone down, my blood sugar has gone down, and I overall feel so much better, and I'm losing a little weight. I think cauliflower is my favorite ingredient. It really adds to the crunchiness.
Now take your Tyson's chicken after it's cooled some and cut it into cubes and add it to the salad. Now I'm going to put my spices in. My favorites are taco seasonings with garlic powder. You may choose your own. And then let's put 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt in.
Now you could add walnuts or almonds to this, sunflower seeds, and then some of my tortilla strips for that crunch. And you can do 2 tablespoons for just 35 calories. So I don't need to be worrying about the calories on these. And these are seasoned SouthWestern style, so they're like my seasoning that I already put on. Okay.
Doesn't it look yummy? Thanks for watching.